बोलो हनुमान की,
राम लक्ष्मण जानकी,
जय बोलो हनुमान की,
जय श्री राम,
जय श्री राम,
जय श्री राम।
जय श्री राम। भाग्यानां परिपाकाय भव्यरूपाय मङ्गलम् पितृभक्ताय सततं भ्रातृभिः सह सीतया नन्दिताखिललोकाय रामभद्राय मङ्गलम्।
जय श्री राम,
जय श्री राम,
जय श्री राम,
जय श्री राम,
जय श्री राम, जय श्री राम। राम लक्ष्मण जानकी,
जय बोलो
हनुमान की, राम लक्ष्मण जानकी,
जय बोलो हनुमान की।
అందుకనే ఇక్కడ అమ్మవారు కూడా చూసినట్లయితే ఆగమ శాస్త్ర ప్రకారం మనం ప్రతిష్ఠ చేసుకున్నాం. ఆగమ శాస్త్ర ప్రకారం అమ్మవారి స్థానం ఎప్పుడూ కూడా స్వామికి కుడి పక్కనే. అందుకనే ఆయన కళ్యాణోత్సవం మనం జరుపుకుంటున్నాం కనుక ఎవ్రీబడి కెన్ అండర్స్టాండ్ తెలుగు. నో విచ్ లాంగ్వేజ్ ఓకే, ఐ డోంట్ హ్యావ్ నో బెంగాలీ. I will maybe I will translate it in English some events which you need to understand. So always the wife's place should be husband's right side. That is what Shastra says. So that is why you sit towards right side. So there is no confusion about where you need to sit. It should be auspicious if wife sits on the right side of the husband. So can we start, sir? Everybody came?
We can start, I guess, because we have few sponsors has to come, but still like it's already 10, so we'll start.
Okay.
जय श्री राम, जय श्री राम, जय श्री राम, जय श्री राम, जय श्री राम।
रामकृष्ण वासुदेव
प्रवरान्वितवसिष्ठगोत्रोद्भवाय चतुर्दश भुवनाधीश्वराय अखिलाण्डकोटिब्रह्माण्डनायकाय तत्त्वातीताय सकलनिष्कळङ्कस्वरूपाय सुरासुरार्चितपादपद्मयुगलाय अखिललोकोन्नतपवित्राय आर्तत्राणपरायणाय परव्यूह विभव अंतर्यामि अर्चावतार स्वरूपिणे श्रीरामचंद्र स्वामिने कन्यार्थिने वराय। Please offer akshatas to Sri Ramachandra Swami's feet. These four Panditjis explained about the details of Sri Ramachandra Swami. He is the great grandson of Aja Maharaja, grandson of Raghu Maharaja, and the son of Dasharatha Maharaja. So after telling all these four fathers and everybody, Janaka Maharaja asks, why you are telling all these things? We don't need all those details. We need to know about your son's good qualities. We already know all the four Panditjis are very smart. They are revealing the gunas of Swami one by one. Chaturdasha Bhuvanadhishwaraya, our Swami, we have a 14 lokas. 7 urdhva lokas and 7 adho lokas. He is the leader of all these 14 lokas. The Janaka Maharaja did not accept that quality. Again, the second quality revealed by our priest. Priest is not a good word actually. Our archakas. अखिलांडकोटि ब्रह्मांड नायकाय. He is the supreme of all the Andapinda Brahmandas. Then also he is not at all accepted. And the third quality is Tattvatitaya. We need to take a birth in this world. We need 5 elements. That is called 5 tattvas. But if he wants to come to here, he don't need those 5 elements. So he is the Atita of all the tattvas. So that is his third quality. But still, Janaka Maharaja not satisfied. Sakala Nishkalanka Swarupaya. We are taking birth here means we need to go over through all our karmas. Either it is papa karma or punya karma. That is why we are taking birth here. But if he wants to come here, there is no kalankam to him. Sakala nishkalanka swarupaya. Still, he is not accepted. We need a prominent guna of Swami. Raja also like that only, right? If he has a lot of packages and everything, why? If he take care of our daughter or not, that is what we need to check, right? First. We know these priests are, these archakas are very smart. Still they are not revealing the asali guna. Sura sura
అయితే అద్దాలు పెట్టుకుంటా
और ये दोनों बनाए हैं, ये पानी का
Not only they are the Rakshasas also. Pura, Asura, Achyuta.
Hare Krishna Prabhuji. Hare Krishna Ramanuji. Have you guys registered for the event? This event. The event. Oh, it's here? Oh, okay. Then would you like to register for it right now? It's a free registration. So you just need to scan the QR code. We're trying to get all the database from all the people. Is this your first time here? Yes. Okay. So we have a Sunday Love Fest program that happens here every Sunday. And so he'll explain it to you real quickly.
It's a free program, so as I said, like a lot of people come here and
dramas, the participation. So yeah, please go through this class. This is the second semester now. But you can still register and join this class for the second semester. Only 2 months to be.
Yesterday my hair was wet on it. So I'm on it.
Hare Krishna.
Someone can see like.
All the people I know, I don't know, like, I'll get the pop out.
English and Telugu.
Sit comfortable.
House here? I'll give House her. I can give her. Yeah, we'll give her. She said not to lawyers.
Zell, madam.
Yes, Roger. Cell or the same.
Hare Krishna.
హరే కృష్ణ कैसे हैं आप
Very good.
हरे
Hare
कृष्ण
Krishna. Happy Sri Ramnavami. Happy Sri Ramnavami. Jai Sri Ram. Jai Sri Ram.
Narasimha Swami, if we take one pillar, he did not, the Hiranyakasipu is not going to hit that pillar. If he cannot come out, Prahalada's words, false words, will become, right? But as per Narasimha Puranam, on that particular time, of course he is always will be there, but he needs to come out as a Nrsimha Rupam. Because he has a boon. So Hiranyakasipu has a boon. He manifests himself as a Nrsimha Bhagavan and in his palace, in Hiranyakasipu's palace, how many pillars are there? How many walls are there? How many doors are there? in everywhere and each and every inch. Nrsimha Bhagavan is there. Because wherever he hits, he is ready to come out. So, like that he had given Rakshana to Prahlada. And then Vibhishana. Vibhishana did not come all the way from Lanka and he did not do namaskaram and did not ask for forgiveness. He is the one side and the Vibhishana is other side of the ocean. He did not even do namaskaram also. Just he stayed at that place and bowed with his head. Rama thinks he is asking my Saranagati. Rama thinks himself. So he had given Rakshana to Vibhishana also. Then Gajendra Moksham we know. Right? 1,000 years the Gajaraja fights with the crocodile. After his strength gone, then he started asking help from all the devatas. But nobody is come and help him. The Gajaraja don't know who is left. But he is praying to whoever is the supreme of this whole universe. He needs to come and help me. Swami pleaded guilty. Why I am waiting like this until he calls me? I need to go to him and I need to give Rakshana to him. That is my vratam. That is what he said, right? Dadami etat vratam mama. He feels guilty and he ran away from Sri Mahalakshmi. Sirikim Jappadu. Senkha Chakra Yugamul Chedoi Sandimpadu. Ye Parivarambuno Jeeradu. Abhragapatimba Nimpadu. Potana Bhagavatam says this slokam. He did not tell even his wife. Do we able to go out? Don't ask me. But he did not tell to his wife, she is with him. Don't know how the Makaram, that crocodile is. He did not take even his Shankha Chakras also. And there is a Vayuvega vehicle is there for him, which is Garutmanta. But he did not take that Vahanam also. He only himself ran away to save the Gajaraja from crocodile Makaram. So that is the third time he came with running mode. Panchali, which is Draupadi, while she is losing her manam, during that time Govinda Pundarikaksha Rakshamam Saranagatam Dwaraka Nilayachyuta. He calls him with very arti, prema, bhakti. So whenever he had given Rakshana to Draupadi also.
You took it the last Yeah, go to your bed. If you need anything, go to your bed. Guys, we. Oh yes! I need to go out.
Where do you guys want to go?
3 times, so they're now like. Just go find worship. We found it. Oh, I worship.
Anmati. Hare Krishna. Welcome. Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna.
Yeah. Yeah, I just know the worship.
Hare Krishna. Cold.
Want to check in real quickly? Let's go for Prabhuji.
We give them prashadam and an incentive compulsory to give them.
Hare Krishna. Done.
Only one like
What?
there are two. Both I can see. Blue and blue.
Yeah, absolutely. What is the I also have to help you. All the kids, you all have to stay together to be ready for the recital. Yeah, एक बार पूछ लीजिए ना कि कब है help you. हाँ. Yeah, एक बार पूछ लीजिए कब
Guys, let's go. Come, See, this rocket, can you go in the back of the line desk so that nobody Guys, Mataji listed. Raga, put it in the side. We have to go. Excuse me, come on. Raga. Shania is calling you. Yeah. No, here. This way, guys. Guys, this way. This way.
Destination which we are coming from. From where we are coming from? Don't say India. We are coming from Vaikuntham. We all have citizenship there. For every creature, not only humans. So we have citizenship in Vaikuntham. There is no one says you need to leave my country like that. आमार्चनम् अद्य करिष्ये। ओम श्री सीता लक्ष्मण हनुमत् समेत श्रीरामचंद्र परब्रह्मणे नमः। ओम श्रीरामाय नमः। ओम रामभद्राय नमः। ओम रामचंद्राय नमः। ओम शाश्वताय नमः। ओम राजीवलोचनाय नमः। ओम श्रीमते नमः। ओम राजेन्द्राय नमः। ओम रघुपुंगवाय नमः। ओम जानकी वल्लभाय नमः। ओम जैत्राय नमः। ओम जितामित्राय नमः। ओम जनार्दनाय नमः। विश्वामित्रप्रियाय नमः ओम दान्ताय नमः ओम शरणत्राणतत्पराय नमः ओम वालिप्रमथनाय नमः ओम वाग्मिने नमः ओम सत्यवादे नमः ओम सत्यविक्रमाय नमः ओम सत्यव्रताय नमः ओम व्रतधराय नमः ओम सदा हनुमदाश्रिताय नमः ओम कौसलेयाय नमः ओम खरध्वंसिने नमः ओम विराधवदपण्डिताय नमः ओम विभीषणपरित्रात्रे नमः ओम मरकोदण्डकण्डनाय नमः ओम सप्तसालप्रभेत्रे नमः ओम दशग्रीवशिरोहराय नमः ओम जामदग्न्यमहादर्पदलनाय नमः ओम ताटकान्तकाय नमः ओम वेदान्तसाराय नमः ओम वेदात्मने नमः ओम भवरोगस्य भेषजाय नमः ओम दूषणत्रिशिरोहन्त्रे नमः ओम त्रिमूर्तये नमः ओम त्रिगुणात्मकाय नमः ओम त्रिविक्रमाय नमः ओम त्रिलोकात्मने नमः ओम पुण्यचारित्रकीर्तनाय नमः ओम त्रिलोकरक्षकाय नमः ओम धन्विने नमः ओम दण्डकारण्य कर्तनाय नमः ओम अहल्याशापशमनाय नमः ओम पितृभक्ताय नमः ओम वरप्रदाय नमः ओम जितेन्द्रियाय नमः ओम जितक्रोधाय नमः ओम जितामित्राय नमः ओम जगद्गुरवे नमः ओम वृक्षवानरसंघातिने नमः ओम चित्रकूटसमाश्रयाय नमः ओम जयन्तत्राणवरदाय नमः ओम सुमित्रापुत्रसेविताय नमः ओम सर्वदेवादिदेवाय नमः ओम मृतवानरजीवनाय नमः ओम मायामारीचहन्त्रे नमः ओम महादेवाय नमः ओम महाभुजाय नमः ओम सर्वदेवस्तुताय नमः ओम सौम्याय नमः ओम ब्रह्मण्याय नमः ओम मुनिसंस्तुताय नमः ओम महायोगिने नमः ओम महोदाराय नमः ओम सुग्रीवेप्सितराज्यदाय नमः ओम सर्वपुण्यादिकबलाय नमः ओम स्मृतसर्वाघनाशनाय नमः ओम आदिपुरुषाय नमः ओम परमपुरुषाय नमः ओम महापुरुषाय नमः ओम पुण्योदयाय नमः ओम दयासाराय नमः ओम पुराणपुरुषोत्तमाय नमः ओम स्मितवक्त्राय नमः ओम मितभाषिणे नमः ओम पूर्वभाषिणे नमः ओम अनंताय नमः ओम राघवाय नमः ओम धीरोदात्तगुणोत्तमाय नमः ओम मायामानुष चारित्राय नमः ओम महादेवादिपूजिताय नमः ओम सेतुकृते नमः ओम जितवारासये नमः ओम सर्वतीर्थमयाय नमः ओम हरये नमः ओम श्यामाय नमः ओम सुंदराय नमः ओम सूराय नमः ओम पीतवासे नमः ओम धनुर्धराय नमः ओम सर्वयज्ञाधिपाय नमः ओम यज्विने नमः ओम जरामरण वर्जिताय नमः ओम सच्चिदानंद विग्रहाय नमः ओम विभीषण प्रतिष्ठात्रे नमः ओम सर्वापगुणवर्जिताय नमः ओम परमात्मने नमः ओम परब्रह्मणे नमः ओम सच्चिदानंद विग्रहाय नमः ओम परंज्योतिषे नमः ओम परंधाम्ने नमः ओम पराकाशाय नमः ओम परात्पराय नमः ओम परेशाय नमः ओम पारगाय नमः ओम अपाराय नमः ओम सर्वदेवात्मकाय नमः ओम पराय नमः ओम श्री सीता लक्ष्मण हनुमत् समेत श्रीरामचंद्र परब्रह्मणे नमः नानाविध परिमल पुष्पैश्च पूजयामि ओम मूर्धानं दिवोरतिं पृथिव्या वै द्वानरमृताय जातमग्निं कविकं सम्राजमरिधिं जनानाम् आसन्नापात्रं जनयन्त देवाः ओम प्रोक्ष्यावरिषिच्या ओम देवस्य त्वा सवितुः प्रसवेऽस्मिनार्बाहुभ्यां पूष्ण हस्ताभ्यां निरवपङ्ग्रहण स्वाहा मध्ये मध्ये पानीयं समर्पयामि उत्तराभोजनं समर्पयामि ओम कलशं నాకు చెప్పకుండా ఎట్లా వెళ్ళింది ఓం దేవస్య కొబ్బరికాయలు కొట్టేశారా వచ్చిందా ఓం దేవస్య ద్వాదవిధ ప్రసవేస్మినార్బాహుభ్యాం
as you all know, Gopal Fun School is held here every Sunday. Apart from the Sunday Feast program, we have kids classes, Damodar class and Madan Mohan class. So here we are teaching them Bhagavad Gita, values from Bhagavad Gita, and short stories from our scriptures. And along with giving the moral of those stories, we are just preparing them for real school challenges or other challenges of this being practical at the same time. So basically we are teaching them Krishna consciousness along with all the good things that as a parent you want to teach them. So please encourage them, and if you have more questions on the Gopal Fun School, please reach out to Sundari Lalita Mataji, or you can reach out to me. We'll give out more details. So I would request you all to encourage these kids, and please give them a round of applause. Please welcome.
Hare Krishna, I request everybody to be please silent. Please. It's a request, please.
Is this kuch
Sarvadaya
Jai Shri Ram. Thank you, kids. Thank you very much. You can leave now. Go to your classes. I will request Mahesh Babu to felicitate Gopal. Please give him. So just a small introduction for Gopal Garu. So Gopal Ponanangi is the well-known leader from our community. He is currently serving as the Vice President of ISCO ISD Board of Trustees, and he was first elected as a school board trustee in 2019 and was re-elected in 2022. Gopal was also the board of Frisco Economic Development Corporation. He is the founder and president of a non-profit called Shubham Foundation, which supports education and healthcare initiatives and promotes fine arts. He has business in financial services, digital marketing and real estate. He lives in Frisco with his wife Vijayashree and has two daughters, Ananya and Anisha, and leads a life with the motto service over self. So please give a big round of applause to Gopal. And like he is contesting for the Frisco Council, so I request everybody please vote for Gopal. So and Gopal will talk more.
Srinivasulu Garu, thank you so much. Rajesh Anna, thanks for coming all the way from Flowermount. And thank you, Rajesh Garu. Thanks to each and every one of you for giving me an opportunity to be with in front of you. I think we have done the Kalyanam already, right? So Bhojan will be soon. So I don't want to be between Bhojan and Bhajan. So, I will be very, very quick. First of all, as a school board trustee, I am very glad that this Gita Mandir is coming up here very soon. And today's Kalyanam is happening, and then Srinivasulu Garu and the entire volunteer team are taking care of the Gopal Sunday School, Gopal Fun School. So because as a school district, we will be able to do few things like, provide the basic curriculum, maybe fine arts and then sports. But something related to values, something related to spirituality, something related to the dressing, something related to Bhojan. Bhojan, of course, parents also will help. But these are some of the things that are very, very important as we are growing up, because we need to strengthen our children so that as they are facing this world, whatever country they are, there will always be challenges. How will they be able to handle challenges? That will come once their values are strengthened, and that is being done through the Gopal Fun School. And I am very, very grateful for all the opportunities that you are creating to the children. Without that, it will not be very easy for them as they sail through their lives. So I'm glad that you are all doing this. And as a school board trustee, I am very honored that the community has elected me in 2019 as a school board trustee. They re-elected me in 2022 as a school board trustee. Now I am running for the City Council, Frisco City Council. As Srinivasulu Garu knows, I am only a phone call away. So I may be focusing on certain things like reducing the traffic or increasing the jobs and then safety and security and other things. But more than that, we need to have somebody who is related, who can relate to us, and then who is in the place where they are able to take some decisions for the city. So I will be your person, and with all of your help and Lord Rama's blessings, I think it will be possible. So I request each and every one of you to tell your friends in Frisco that you heard me, and more information about me is on my website, voteforgopal.com. Honestly, I do not want to make it as a political speech, because you are all bhaktas. Being in the middle of bhaktas itself is a great divine activity, especially Lord Sri Rama. Lord Sri Rama, as you all know, Vigraha, Ramo Vigrahavan Dharma, right? He embodies dharma. He is the one who's got the courage, who's got self-control, who's got compassion. All these qualities on this day, if we are able to absorb a little of each of them, into our lives, and then into our kids' lives, and then which will help us take us forward. So let us all pray that Lord Rama continues to bless each and every one of us with health, wealth and happiness, so that we are able to move our lives in a very nice, peaceful and spiritual manner. Thanks once again, Srinivasa Gaura. As I said, I don't want to be between Bhojan and Bhajan. Yes, I am also very excited about the Geeta Mandir that is coming up, because all these days we have to go all the way to downtown for the Geeta Mandir. But if it is here amongst us, then we can also celebrate on Sundays. We can celebrate on every day. If it is closer to us, if it is proximity to us. So I congratulate the team for putting this together. And if there is any help that is needed from my side, please feel free to let me know. I am only a phone call away, or a text away, or a WhatsApp away. So whatever is possible, whatever Lord Rama allows through me, and then I will definitely do it. Thanks once again. Lord Rama and Lord Krishna, of course. Thanks once again. Namaste.
Just a quick word about Gopal. I'm from Claremont. I'm a board member of one of the temples over there. And Gopal has been serving relentlessly for almost 2.5 decades in the Frisco area. So, and he has worked and donated a lot of funds for Vidyadanam through Vidyadanam and Shubham Foundation. And not only that, he has also given a lot of scholarships to the young school kids in Frisco. So again, I don't want to speak too much about him, but you can go check it out. He has been a relentless servant for the community and the society at large for almost 2.5 decades. Thank you very much. Namaste. Hello.
Thank you. Please give it a big round of applause. Thank you for coming. And we really say good luck to you on this Sri Rama Navami. And look forward like you as a council member very soon. Thank you very much.
अथा सपत्नागं इन्द्रो मे निग्राभेणाधरागं अकः उद्ग्राभं च निग्राभं च ब्रह्मदेव अविवृधन् अथा सपत्नानिन्द्राग्नि मे विशोचीनान् व्यस्यताम् वसुभ्यस्त्वा रुद्रेभ्यस्त्वादित्येभ्यस्त्वाक्तगुं रिहाण वियन्तु वयः प्रजां योनिं मानिर्मृक्षमाप्यायन्तामापवोषधयो मरुतां पृषतयस्थदिवम् गच्छततो नो वृष्टिमेरय आयुष्पा अग्नेस्यायुर्मे पाहि चक्षुष्पा अग्नेसि चक्षुर्मे पाहि ध्रुवासियं परिधिं पर्यधत्त अग्ने देवपणिभिर्वीयमाणः तं तयेतमनुजोषं भरामिने देशत्वदपयेतयातै यज्ञस्य बाधवुपसमितगं सग्गुस्रावभागास्तेषा बृहन्तः प्रस्तरेष्ठा बर्हिषदश्च देवा इमां वाचमभिविश्वे गृणन्त आसद्यास्मिन् बर्हिषि माधयध्वमग्नेर्वामपन्नगृहस्य सतसि साधयामि सुम्नाय सुम्निने सुम्ने माधत्तं
செவ்வரினக்கரங்களும் கஞ்செய்தைக்காகி தினவினையான் நிலைரத்தமயவாலேந்தி வெவ்வரினஞ்சலை வாங்கி வெண்ணி கொண்ட வேல்வேந்தர் பகை தொடர்ந்த வீரன் தன்னை தேவர் அஞ்சு நடம் புரிசை உயர்ந்த பாங்கர் தில்லை நகர் Jai
வலி வனைக்கு வரை நடந்தால் வீரத்தை கொண்ட வந்தமிழ் மாமணி கொடுத்த வரவில் வாங்கி கலை வணக்கி நோக்கரக்கி மூக்கை நீக்கி கரனோட தோதனந்தை நுயிரை வாங்கி
சிலை வணக்கி மான் மரியான் தன்னை எல்லை நகர் திரகூடன் கண்ணுள் தலை வணக்கி